Hi, it's Mind Crypto here. I hope we're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.
Mind Crypto here. I hope we're all having a wonderful day and a great weekend. I know I am. And they choose Quant. Absolutely brilliant. And we get onto that in a moment. But first and foremost, we look at the crypto bubbles. As usual, we are ranked 38 with a 1.1 billion market cap and nearly a 16 million 24-hour volume. And we're setting at that price of $91. We are up 0.3% in the hour and down 0.5% in the day, down 7.3% in the week, and down 7.2 in the month. Again, looking really mixed. Lots of red there, as usual, as we'd normally see on a weekend. But there is some good news. But as usual, in a bear market, good news never moves it, which is kind of weird because this sort of news in a bull market would absolutely fire rocket the prices up for Quant. Now, I see this Quant and I wonder who partners with Nexi. And as we see here, ECB chooses Nexi for digital euro prototype. The European Central Bank has chosen Nexi, the European paytech leader, to develop a front-end prototype for making payments with digital euros after joining the call for expression of interest launched in April by the ECB as part of the digital euro investigation phase. Nexi has been appointed as one of the 5 companies out of 54 respondents to the call, which will provide front-end prototypes to test different payment use cases. And we can see here SAN NL11 with some backed up evidence. We've got Quant. Congratulations to Saya and Nexi Group on their merger. This is an exciting step forward, becoming the European paytech. And Quant says, we're looking forward to working with you. So it's all there. And just looking at what Nexi actually do. Saya is the Nexi Group brand specialized in design, implementation, and management of technology infrastructures and services dedicated to financial institutions, central banks, businesses and public administrations in the card and merchant solutions, digital payment solutions, and capital market and network solution segments. Saya has a global presence in over 50 countries, from Canada to New Zealand, from Iceland to the United Arab Emirates. Saya has been merged in Nexi as its activities transfers from the Italian market in Nexi Payments. The brand is represented by companies New, Saya, Greece, Saya, Central Europe in Croatia, Czech Republic, Romania, Serbia, Slovakia, and Hungary. And I almost asked the question, I wonder if they're playing about with BRICS, but we won't get into that just now. So we see this, Europe's Christine Lagarde determination for a rise of cryptocurrencies and CBDCs. I'm really pleased that the attention is now focused on the role that cryptos can play. We have to be a little bit ahead, and I hope we can accelerate the work. So let's have a listen to this.
You know my views on CBDCs, and you know that I have pushed that project. Fabio Panetta is working hard on that together with members in the entire Eurosystem, with a high-level task force that is working really hard on moving forward. But in a way, I'm really pleased that attention is now focused on the role that cryptos can play and the role that central bank digital currency can have when they are implemented. We have a schedule, as you know. The Governing Council decided back in October 21 to launch a 2-year investigation phase, and it is at the end of that investigation phase that the decision will definitely be made to launch the CBDC and to make it a reality. We can't go wrong with that project. I'm confident that we will move ahead, but that's going to be a decision of the Governing Council. I think it's an imperative to respond to what the Europeans expect, and I think we have to be a little bit ahead of the curve if we can on that front. So if we can accelerate the work, I hope we can accelerate the work. I will certainly support that. And I was delighted to see that in the United States there was an executive order by President Biden to actually expect similar effort and focus and progress on CBDCs, cryptos, and I think that it will take all the goodwill of those who want to support sovereignty, who want to make sure that monetary policy can be transmitted properly using our currency will endeavour. On the issue of financial stability, I totally concur with my Vice President, De Guindos, but I will also point you to the last sentence in the first paragraph of our monetary policy statement. And I know that there's been an abuse of that, but we mean it. We will take whatever action is needed to fulfill the ECB's mandate to pursue price stability and to safeguard financial stability. So, have no doubt.
So there you go, some absolute conviction there at the end. And as she pointed out here, we have to be a little bit ahead and hope we can accelerate this work. And it looks like they are doing that. As we know, Nexi Group is partnered with Quant. So inadvertently, they're choosing Quant. Absolutely brilliant. And as we can see, this old tweet from Gilbert Verdian, this has been going on since 2019. He says here, back at the ECB, worked closely with the ECB previously as Cisco responsible for security of UK's payments critical national infrastructure. The future is complementing the existing financial system with DLTs to innovate safely while maintaining market stability. More crumbs from Gilbert Verdian, Quant CEO. I can't be more positive about the fundamentals and everything that's going on with Quant right now. Although the price is not doing anything, but as I've said, we're in a bear market. This is why things don't move. Until we start to see more adoption within the crypto asset world, then we'll start to see the rise in price. But remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and you should not use any of the information here as an indication to buy. It really is do your homework, do your research. Anyhow, please subscribe, please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any important updates like this in the future. All the best, and I'll catch you later.
Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research.